Hello viewers, I'm going to give you some tips how to add your picture background texture into the mfps menu scene. That's my background picture, or temporary one I got at the moment. And you'll notice I've called it black.jpg. It's got to be called black. And it's got to be a JPEG file. And what you do first, you go to the LivettoStudio.com, or you can copy the text off me comment in YouTube. You copy all this text, just hover over it, drag the mouse over it all, and then right click and copy. Once you've done that, you go into your Unity. Oh, hang on, sorry. Actually, before you do that, where am I? The folder. Before you paste the text in, you put the file in first. You go to the ABG, you go to the Documents folder in My Documents, and then you go to your Project folder, whatever you named your project in Unity, and then you go to your Assets folder, and then you go to your MFPS, your Multiplayer First Person Shooter folder, then you go to Content, Art, and then GUI, and then Other, and you'll see the file in there. What you've got to do is basically copy that file, paste it on your desktop, and paste your picture over the top, on top of this file. It's got to be the same resolution and everything as this file. So do that, and then just when you got the picture on that file, just override it with this one, paste it in here and override it with that one. Then you go into Unity and you go to Assets, MFPS, and then your Scenes folder, and you click on your main menu scene, double click on that and open it. Make sure that top bit's on scene, and then you go, so I've already got it here, it shows up under image, and but that won't be there until you do this. You go to Game Object, then you go to UI, and then you go to Image, and you click on Image. Let's just say I clicked on it because I've already got it in there. And then what you do is I can't remember which comes first out of these two buttons here, these two round buttons. Oh, hang on, not that one. That one's material. Where is it? These two. It is the cog and the round button. Source image round button is where you click on to add your picture, and you'll see it there. There it is there. You just double click on that and it adds it. And the other thing you got to do is click on this cog up here and go to Edit Script, and it'll bring up your mono compiler thing. And you just look for this. I got mine on line 19. Just look for that. Public Textures 2D M-Hide Texture, and replace that with what you copied. I'm not sure exactly whether you replace it or paste it underneath, but it worked for me. I can't remember exactly what I'd done. I'm just trying to help those people that are lost with this thing. And then you save it, and then if that, and then if this thing here hasn't popped up, this thing here should definitely pop up then, and then you add that, double click on that picture, and make sure you got the tick up here next to image ticked, and the tick there where it says image script, because that's where it's all at, is in the image script section. Make sure that's ticked, and preserve aspect, and set your position of your picture to 0, 0, and set your resolution to how you want it. I got it set there at I did have 1276. I'm being hacked all the time as well. The picture, I think I set the actual picture file, the JPEG file, I made it at HD 1920 by 1080, and it still worked, but it's a bit stretched because I didn't raise the resolution from 70 up to 200 or 300, because it wouldn't work when I raised the resolution. But that's how you get to it, and I'll show you it in game. It's just running it. I got another tutorial where I'll make to show you how to put background music in it. I got music in this. It all works. Oh, that'll do. Create game. There we go. That's my map I'm working on. Alright. Thanks for watching.